How to fix iPhone acting strange. So if you're shooting a video using cinema mode and you start to experience the weird like shaking sound or a visual glitch that look like the wave moving over the image, and that will happen only when you zoomed in beyond 2x. Another example is a problem where random songs in a music library would not download, and the other issue is battery issues. So strange behavior include battery issues where it drains abnormally fast, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth issues, and delayed notifications where things like text messages show up minutes to hours later when they should pop up instantaneously. So if you're facing these strange issues on your iPhone, then if you want to fix that type of issues, then what you need to do is you just need to perform a hard reset on your iPhone. So it's basically like rebooting your computer. It clears the memory, and in case of battery issues, it resets power management back to normal. It also just tends to resolve many software related glitches. Performing a hard reset is really straightforward. Here's how you can do it. So to hard reset your device, simply press and release the volume up button quickly, then press and release the volume down button quickly, and then press and hold the side or the power button until the Apple logo appears. This is the solution for iPhone 8 and later, like iPhone S or 11, 12, 13, 14, and all the new versions. But if you're using the iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, then press and hold the volume down button, and then press and hold the sleep or wake button, and press and hold both buttons simultaneously until the Apple logo appears on the screen. This will take about 10 seconds. When the Apple logo appears, release both buttons and you will reset your device. And in this way, you will be able to fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.